Hi, welcome to valuationpodcast.com, a podcast and video series on all things pertaining to business valuations. I'm Melissa Gragg, a financial expert witness in St. Louis, and I have the pleasure today of discussing divorce and court and trials with Randy Kessler.
I never thought about this until just now. You made me think of this, Melissa. Courts sometimes cancel and then you got to reschedule and come back. And sometimes the courts put 4 or 5 cases down because they're afraid they'll get to work. The judge will get to work and the case will settle and they won't have anything to do. And the taxpayers are paying them. So they have 2, 3, 4 cases, get ready. Sometimes judges say, can you be a backup case? And so if my case settles, you guys can come down here in a few hours. I'm now guessing or prognosticating the courts will allow us to be on Zoom backup, saying if you really need a hearing soon, I don't have any time for the next 6 weeks, but if you're willing to be available on 2 hours notice, when one of my cases settles, I will email everybody. And if you all can jump on a camera, we can get it done. And you can fill in my 2 hours that I found available from 10 o'clock till noon. So that's another benefit. I didn't think about that. I'm sorry to
Oh, yeah. I mean, I think the scheduling is going to be amazing because right now, I don't know about your court system, but right now, like we could all be ready to go to start court. And then somebody comes in and they get back into chambers and they have to have a conversation and we're on pause. And half the time we're sitting around being like, does anybody know when we're going?
And you're billing the poor client who has to pay for that. Now you don't have to worry about that. The client can get a better bang for their buck.